Cranbourne East Primary School acknowledges the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people on which we stand today, and recognize their continuing connection to land, water, and culture.
We pay our respects to their elders, past, present, and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth of toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage of birds Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing of birds Australia fair.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. Well, I've started off my principal's report today by sharing with you an outstanding piece of work presented to me by one of our students, and that is Ramveer in Year 4. Ramveer has made a three-dimensional model of the office space where I work, where Miss Herring works, Mrs. Wrigley, Mr. Music, and Mrs. Kelly. And you'll also see the space that Mrs. Jelly works in as well. And I must say the detail is absolutely amazing. I can even see the pot plant in the corner of my office, and I can see all the notices on Mrs. Wrigley's board. So congratulations, Ramveer. We're all very, very proud of your three-dimensional model, and that has a very special place in my office. My next message, just an update for all students about our pirate ship. Currently, we can't access the pirate ship because we're having some repairs completed, but the pirate ship will be open for us all to access during recess and lunchtime in the coming weeks. And then at the end of the year, over the holidays, we will see a brand new pirate ship in that place. My next point is once again to congratulate our students on the enthusiasm, and it's great to see the enjoyment and the learning shown during the swimming program. And I must say a big thank you to all the staff and parents for supporting the swimming program. Moving on, hopefully over the next couple of months, or at least very early next year, we will see a brand new playground on the Oval. Watch that space. My next point, just a reminder everybody that hats are to be worn in term 4. That is the school approved hat, not only on the way to school, on the way home from school, during recess and lunch, and any time you're outside participating in learning. A reminder to read every single day. You may like to read to somebody or have someone read to you, but just remember, find something that interests you and read every single day, even on weekends, even on holidays. And my final reminder is about helmets. If you're riding scooters or bikes to or from school and even around after school and on weekends, please ensure you wear a helmet, and the chin strap, the strap under your chin, is secure. All right, thank you everybody. I want you to have a fantastic weekend, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Take care everybody.
Hi, my name is Akil Nikhil and I'm going to teach you how to say hello in Tamil. To say hello in Tamil, you need to say Vanakkam.
Hello, my name is Jansi, and to say please in Tamil, you would say Daiva Senju. Hi, I'm Alma, and I'm going to say bye in Malayalam. Tata.
Next week's XWPBS in Samoan is Matso Itale Botia Leto Falema.
Hello there, everyone. Well, I know you missed it all last week, but this week it's back. Who's ready for a joke? How do trees get on the internet? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. Okay, time's up. I think there might be a few of you that might have got it this week. How do trees get on the internet? They log on. I hope that one put a smile on your face and you enjoyed it, and I hope you all have a fabulous weekend. See you next week.
Next week's SWPBS goal is we report bullying. Sometimes people get confused by what is and is not bullying.
Bullying is repeated unkind or mean behaviors that are done on purpose.
Bullying is not being rude or mean without it being on purpose or only once or twice.
Even if your friend tells you no or asks you to stop, that is not bullying.
If you or someone else is being bullied, talk to a trusted adult, like a yard duty teacher, your teacher, a family member, or someone else you trust.